Hello student, this is our exercise 3.7. In our previous class we have done question up to D. Up to D part we have done our questions. In today's class we are going to start our E part. That is, Ritu had a chocolate. She ate 5/8 of the chocolate in the morning, and how much chocolate is left? So student, here is the solution. I have written question for you in my notebook, in my online register. So what we have to do? First we have to know that what is total chocolate. So according to this, 2/5. 2/5. You ate 2 part out of 5, means you ate 2 parts out of 5. Total number part is 5. 5 out of 5 are total number of parts. So here we have to write total number of parts of chocolate is equal to 5/5. Is the total. If we divide 5 by 5, we got 1 whole chocolate, total chocolate. The total number of parts of chocolate is equal to 5/5. Ritu ate in the morning is equal to 2/5. 2 part out of 5 eaten by Ritu in the morning. Chocolate left is equal to total chocolate minus eaten chocolate. So 5 in the denominator, common, then 5 minus 2. What we have to do? 5 minus 2 is equal to 3/5. Here is the left chocolate. Is equal to 3/5. That's our answer. Chocolate left is equal to 3/5. So student, our next question is F. There are 25 children in a class. Out of them, 18 participate in a fancy dress show. What fraction of the children did not take part? So what we have to do? Here I written question for you in the notebook. So we have to do the solution. 25 student, so the total number of student is 25. Total students is equal to 25. लिखेंगे number of students participated is equal to 80. फिर number of student did not participated. कितने हो गए? 25 लोग थे, 25 थे और 18 ने पार्टिसिपेट किया. पार्टिसिपेट कितने नहीं किया, तो हमें माइनस करके निकालना पड़ेगा. 25 minus 18 is equal to 7. 7 student didn't participate. So what we have to find? What fraction of children did not take part? What fraction of children did not take part? So fraction is all about 7 upon the total number of person upon the total. So did not take part is equal to 7 upon total number of student 25. So the fraction of children did not take part is equal to 7 upon 25. That's our answer. So student, let's start our G part. Our story book has 56 pages. Anshika read 3 upon 4 of the book. How many pages did she read? Or how many pages were left to be read? There are two questions in this part. So here I write a question for you in my register. So what we have to do? We have to write down the information given in the question. So what we have to do? We have to write down the number of pages, total number of pages. Then Anshika read book in fraction is equal to 3 upon 4. So we have to find out number of pages she read. Here is some different thing we have to find out. We have to multiply with 3 into 56 upon 4. We have to multiply by 3 into 56. So I have done multiply for you, 168 upon 4. Now next part, we have to divide 168 by 4. 4 for 4 just 16 on 8. 4 2 the 8, 42. So number of pages she read is equal to 42 pages. Just read by Anshika. Pages left is equal to total number of pages minus pages read. Total number of pages is 56 minus 42. So left pages are 8 and 6, 40 pages. That's our answer. So let's start the question number H, the last question of exercise 3.7 and hopefully the last one from the chapter. Jenny drank 1/2 glass of milk in the morning and 1/2 glass in the evening. How much milk did she drink in all? So here I written question for you in the register. Jenny drank milk in morning is equal to 1/2. 1/2 is said to be आधा, half in English. Half glass in morning, आधा ग्लास पी लिया मॉर्निंग में. एंड जेनी ड्रैंक मिल्क इन इवनिंग इज इक्वल टू 1/2. तो आधा ग्लास तो उसने सुबह पी लिया और आधा ग्लास पी लिया उसने शाम को. हाउ मच मिल्क डिड शी ड्रिंक इन ऑल? milk did she drink in all is equal to 1/2 plus 1/2. आधा प्लस आधा टोटल हो जाएगा हमारा एक. कैसे आएगा? 1 + 1 इक्वल टू 2/2. we 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. It is 1/1, or we can say that 1 total glass. She drank milk in all is equal to 1 glass. So answer, she drank 1 glass milk in all. So student, that's all from today's class, and all from this chapter also. This is the end of the chapter number 3, fraction. So student, if you have any problem regarding this chapter or chapter taught in previous class, like second chapter Roman number and first chapter number system, if you have any problem regarding any of the 3 chapter I taught you, you can ask me. Next chapter we are going to start chapter number 4. Till then, take care and study well. Thank you.